very proud resident of Lyons, Colorado. Can't get our freaking mail, but hey, you know. This one's from 9 News, man. I was on 9 News yesterday and those anchor people were freaking me the fuck out. Man, holy shit. Yeah, blow up your TV. She was a knuckle-headed dancer. She's on the way